This is what Sid listed about their NFT in their X handle. That is said Seed Birds NFT, the answers to the community burning questions. What do we actually gain from holding Seed Birds NFT? Has been a hot topic lately after the meeting phrase "Seed Birds NFT holders will unlock exclusively benefits. 1. Airdrops: seed token based on your NFT holding. 2. Whitelist slots for seed NFT minting, at least one slot up to 15 slots to claim. These are very complaints. Starting today, we are redropping daily seeds serial the NFT era, sharing your ideas. Top contribution may vary in gains reward in the next section. Turn on notifications and stay tuned for up packing with surprise. So this is what NFT, this is what they said about their NFT. So just stay tuned.